How to turn off sound in Ultimate Golf. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are on Ultimate Golf and want some peace and quiet moment, then you can easily turn off the sound effect or music in-game. First of all, launch open Ultimate Golf application on your device. It can be your mobile device or your tablets, and make sure that you're inside the home page where you have logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner and tap the menu button. From the options, select Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and look for the Music and Sound Effect option and turn those off. Once you turn those off, you will be able to turn off the music and sound effects from the game. You can always turn the sound back on later by going to the same menu. If you want only partial audio like music but no effects, then you can switch on the sound effect or the music option, whichever you want to keep. So that's how you know how to turn off sound in Ultimate Golf. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.